Salutations, Adam Witt, aka Omnivorous Adam here, and I'm here today to talk to you about a wonderful product, the Instant Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. Today we are going to be using this machine's wonderful features to make what we call around these parts a patty melt. A cool part about this grill is that it features 6-in-1 functionality, which allows for air frying, broiling, baking, roasting, grilling, and even dehydrating. Today we are going to do some grilling. Pop in the grill grate, then select the grill program, L5, press time, and select 5 minutes. Press start and let the machine preheat while we work on other things. Make a quick patty melt sauce by mixing mayonnaise, ketchup, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Mix until smooth, then set that aside. Divide the ground beef into even portions, then shape each into a thin patty by hand and season both sides with salt. Once the grill indicates that it's preheated, place a patty in each of the 4 corners of the grill. Lightly press each patty into the grate, then close the window and let them cook. One of the coolest features of the Instant Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is the smokeless odor erase technology. On the back of the machine, you're going to find a replaceable filter that does a fantastic job at catching the grease and fumes that come with grilling. It's the only multifunctional indoor grill with a filter like this, which keeps things very clean. Halfway through the grilling process, flip the patties. Notice those little char marks on the burgers? This grill gets very hot and is an awesome way to get the flavors of grilling when you can't get outside. Place 2 pieces of cheese on 2 of the patties, then shut the window and let the burgers finish cooking. When the grill indicates that the food is finished, remove the patties from the grates and set them on a plate to rest for a couple minutes. To build the burger, first lay down your bread. This can be a burger bun, but I really like a dark rye bread for this type of burger. Spoon on some sauce, add on the patties, optionally lay on some caramelized onions, then hit the other piece of bread with more sauce and close it up. Cut the burger in half on the bias, then bask in its cheesy, grilled glory. If you love burgers the way I do, the Instant Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is the perfect way to grill indoors year-round. Oh, baby. That's looking nice. Might as well have grilled that outside. Now this is good and tasty, but if patty melts aren't your thing or you just want to try something new, there are plenty of more recipes on the Instant Brands Connect app. So go give that a download if you're looking to cook something new. If you like the video, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to the Instant Brands YouTube channel right here. Also, let us know, comment below, what's the last thing that you cooked in your Instant Brands appliance? Thanks for watching.